An old Greek word, elkis, meaning a wound, became the word elketis, which became the word ulcetis, and then ulceris, and then ulcer. An ulcer is a wound. When we hear the word ulcer, we usually think stomach ulcer or stomach wound. And these stomach wounds or stomach ulcers are caused by some very nasty little bacteria pipsqueaks called Helicobacter pylori, aka H. pylori. But ulcer means wound, and there are different kinds of ulcers. A while ago, a guy had a motorcycle accident. Very nasty. He broke 5 ribs on his right side and mangled his lungs, so that breathing was a serious problem. While recuperating in bed, he had to remain still. Movement meant pain. Serious pain. And lots of it. For 24/7, his wife stayed at his side and nursed him back to health. He had to get up and use the bathroom at times. He did not like to use bedpans. She helped him up and out of bed. Exhausting work. She stayed at his side. But most of the time he remained on his back without moving. This became a problem. Why? Because when you lie on your back, you are putting pressure on the capillaries just under your outer layer of skin. They are getting squeezy-pooed. Blood is not getting through. If you remain in one position for over 2 hours, a horrible process called necrolysis begins. Necrolysis, you say? Well, what is necrolysis? It means death of body tissue, as is shown here. How? By pressure. Pressure that kills the outer tissue and forms a wound. A wound? Like an ulcer? Exactly. These are called pressure wounds. Pressure wounds result from the body remaining long-term in a single static position. No movement at all. Remaining in one position basically all the time. i.e., lying on your back. Usually due to severe pain from another injury. So by remaining static and thereby helping to cure injury number 1, you are consequently creating injury number 2? Yes, exactly. Yikers. Yes, yikers indeed. We have a more technical name for such pressure wounds. They are called Decubitus Ulcers. From Latin decumbere, meaning to lie down. So literally, these are wounds you get from lying down in one position for too long. Once again, they are called Decubitus Ulcers. This is Hoboken Gear.